and that's how all it started. And I managed to complete my engineering after that, and gain some new friends and people, and started my company Zoop Software Solution right after my graduation. We were having many projects in our hand, and we were having many websites in our hand. We were started developing our own product also, which name was Transmigo. Transmigo was an app which helped people to book all type of vehicles ranging from cars, tempos, trucks, everything. We were very excited. We marketed it at Verge. We did everything well. We spent well. We used to have a big burning rate like 1 lakh rupees per month, but somehow it miserably failed. And there were some reasons behind that, which I list as follows, and you should follow while doing your startup. First thing is to have a good co-founder. Whenever you are starting a startup, you should have a very good co-founder, a very passionate partner, because a co-founder is a member of your startup which helps you when you are not around. Okay, whether you don't have a girlfriend, whether you don't have your wife with you, but your co-founder should always stand with you. Second reason was we were less focused on our traction rather than we were focused on the investment. We used to do 2 to 3 meetings per day for the investment. We used to approach to investor for fund our startup, but in that season we blindly ignored everything, or rather than saying that, we ignored all the sales which we were getting. We don't used to give a good service to the customers. We were ignoring the request of the customers because we were busy in the attending investments meetings. So that was the second mistake we did, and you should understand that you should always focus on getting the traction, getting the sale. And third and very important thing is getting feedback of your customer. We almost ignored all feedbacks of our customer. Our customer used to tell us and complain about our services, but we were so busy in making our product better that we ignored the main pillar of our startup, and we ignored the customer feedback, and which led to the failure. And our Transmigo startup was a very big failure of our time. We were not knowing what went wrong, what wrong things we were doing, but we were going through many problems. Like we went bankrupt. We were not having any money. It led to leaving of all team. People in our team left, and they started joining the jobs, and I was helpless. I was not knowing what went wrong, and what all things we were doing were not getting proper motive. So after knowing all those things, um, we went through a deep analyzation, and we tried to understand what all the wrong things we did. And after analyzing 2 to 3 months, we understood our mistakes, like what all the things we should do and what all the things we should understand about our company. And we conceived to relaunch a new thing, and this time was Night Appetite. I met my one of my good classmate, which is my best friend Shriyog Dande, and we conceived about Night Appetite. The idea rightly came from our own experiences, where we used to do the late night parties, and we don't used to have restaurant open. So we decided to start a service, something like that, which will cater such type of people who are working in late night or partying in late night, or not having restaurant open in late night but craving for the food. And we started with that. And you will not believe, like this time we were very prepared with all our experiences and all our failures. So we decided to go small. So we didn't do a large marketing, or we didn't burn a big amount of money, but we started with only 800 to 1000 rupees. We got one SIM card, a good number SIM card, and we printed 500 Xeroxes as a poster, and we posted all everywhere in our local area. And you will not believe that we got two orders at our first day, and that was the major success for us because we never expected any order at the first day. No one gets for any order at the first day, but we got two orders at the first day, at that too in that odd hours. We faced many criticism also, like people told us like who will eat in that late night, or who will crave at this odd hours. But we broke all the stereotypes, and we got order at that time, and that was a mass success for us. And after that, time passed, and after 2 3 months we got really popular in our area, and people used to order in that time. After 3 months we got featured in the Hindu, which is the Asia's biggest newspaper. So we got featured in the Hindu for this innovative startup idea. We were interviewed, and our article came in December. And in January, we won International Startup Award from Zoho. The award name was Zoho Sell Big. So we got $17,000 of vouchers from them, and that was a mass booster for us. It boosted our motivation at high level, and that was a very good output for us. But we were still lacking in some places, like we were not able to what you can say fix the prices of food, or we were not able to fix the menus, because we were catering this service from other restaurants. So while doing all these things, we got a opportunity to get investment from an angel investor from our local area. He asked us that whether we'll be interested to get investment from him, and cater our own food with which will be prepared in our own restaurant. And we got ready for that thing, and we got funding of 5 million rupees. And after that, we started our own kitchen and chain of kitchens, and today we are catering around whole Navi Mumbai. And that was a small start, but all that thing went to the big, and we never expected this much of success in this area. And now we are planning to cater pan India level by giving franchises to all. So this was all about my three phases of life: the college life, the failed startup life, and success life. And also we are planning to start one product for student, which name is High School. Apart from that, I have my own podcast whose name is Just Start. You can listen on Spotify, where I address all the aspiring entrepreneurs to chase their dreams and career. So that's all, a short and sweet story about myself. I assure that if you try to understand the failures, if you try to understand your failures and try to repair your failures, success will be yours. And last but not the least, which the dialogue from Bollywood movie, I try to repeat again and again. It's a dialogue from Bazigar, where Shah Rukh Khan says, "हार के जीतने वाले को बाजीगर कहते हैं." But I have little modified version for that, कि हार के जीतने वाले को, गिरने वाले को और फिर से उठने वाले को entrepreneur कहते हैं. Thank you so much. Thank you for being here, for listening me. Thank you so much. Thank you SPDC for giving me this opportunity. Thank you Marathe sir. Thank you Sawan sir. Best of luck to you all, and stay safe, stay happy. Thank you.